Since BCCI introduced IPL in 2008 to the world, it's been a huge success, and since then, many other cricket boards started their own versions of T20 franchise league like the Big Bash League, the Pakistan Super League, Caribbean Premier League, but IPL and BBL always been a hot topic of debate among cricket fanatics. In this video, we are gonna try to end this debate. BBL is 9th most watched sports league among the world, which is quite impressive. But wait, IPL is 6th most watched sports league among the world, which is mind-boggling. So this round goes to IPL. The teams of both these tournaments are owned by big businessmen who are always ready to spend a big amount of money on players and on their teams, which compel the tournament organizers to offer a huge amount of prize money to attract the teams. This round is single-handedly won by IPL. IPL offers a total of 3.7 million Australian dollars, which is equal to 20 crore rupees, to the winner, compared to 450,000 Australian dollars, which is equal to 2.5 crore rupees of BBL. Back-to-back points for IPL. Impressive start. BBL allows only 2 overseas players per team, which leads to exclusion of some quality players, and also BCCI doesn't allow Indian players to play in BBL, which is negative point for BBL, while on the other hand IPL allows 4 overseas players to play on each team, and IPL teams are full of quality players from all over the world. This round also goes to IPL. Looks like we are heading towards our winner.
BBL always comes up with funky, out-of-the-box innovations and constantly has the urge to do something out of the ordinary to surprise and please its fans. BBL always offers something new like Black Blades, Zumbotrons, Rocket Man, autograph sessions, which attract a lot of viewers. Big Bash has always been a trailblazer in innovation. 1 point to BBL. This displays the intent and true feminism character of BBL. The first edition of this took place in 2015. Media too played an important role in uplifting the Women's Big Bash League. By this, women's cricket is being embraced and promoted, whereas IPL is far away from this idea. Back-to-back points to BBL as well. Big Bash has a crisper schedule. Each team is assigned a particular rival whom they play for 2 times, like Melbourne Renegades and Melbourne Stars, Sydney Sixers and Sydney Thunder. This allows BBL to have 2 Melbourne derbies and 2 Sydney derbies within a single season, which are now blockbuster events. No derby in IPL has managed to do this. Great comeback by BBL. 3 points to each team. Big Bash roster of sponsors is creative in its approach. The team kits are shielded from gambling, tobacco, and alcohol sponsors. They integrate themselves better to the spectacle, appealing to both kids and adults. With this, BBL is in the lead, with score 4-3.
BBL is played in between the Australian summer, which is also a host of Test cricket, which restricts the top Australian players to take part in the tournament. The timing of IPL such that all the players are available for their respective teams. Hence the score again got tied by 4-4. This is the last round. Whosoever will win this round will win the debate, and we will be able to get the answer which is better, IPL or BBL. To end this debate, we will need a little help from Shane Watson. In his blog, Shane Watson once mentioned that IPL make the quality of cricket its #1 priority. He also mentioned that BBL has put the quality of cricket on the back burner. Looks like we have a winner, and hence we also have end this debate. The last point goes to IPL, which makes the score 5-4, and hence we can say IPL is better than Big Bash League.
Wait bro, you are missing out the most important point. IPL is all about the heightened security, 4-hour long queues, bad washrooms, restricted movement in the stadium, and overpriced food. This all reduces the excitement for a spectator. Contrast to this, BBL always tries to improve the viewer's experience. BBL is less expensive and more intuitive. The seating infrastructure, creative props, and family friendly atmosphere, this all makes BBL a way better than IPL. Hence, BBL knocks IPL in this category.
Looks like we are unable to end this debate, but yeah, this shows how competitive both tournaments are.
We will leave this to you. What do you think is better, IPL or BBL? Comment below.